Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to make a small undersea aquarium of our own. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Anna. First, let's draw all the creatures that will be added to the aquarium. I'm going to add whale, jellyfish, crab, stingrays, different types of fishies, seaweed and corals, lobster, mermaid, and a castle. Once the sketch is done, let's put the transparent film paper over it and make it stick to the other side of the paper using clear tape. Let's use black Sharpie to trace the sketch. Then I'm going to use color Sharpies to color in all the objects. Now, once it's all colored, let's cut them out using scissors. Have a clear ziploc ready, and also we're going to use clear gel as in ocean water. I'm going to use up all the hair gel to fill up to the halfway of the ziploc and add small amount of glitter as you wish. Mix them well inside the ziploc bag. And I'm going to also add some pearls and small beads to the ziploc bag. Let's make a sparkly ocean. Once it's all ready, let's put all the fishes in the bag, and objects that you don't want to move, such as castles or seaweed, we could actually tape them outside the ziploc bag with a clear tape. We all done. Hope you guys have fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye.